Hello, welcome to Mark Books. Today we'll learn about the bill of material. A bill of material is a structured list that organizes all the materials and components required to manufacture a product. Bill of material is widely used across various industries including electronics and computers, industrial machinery, automobiles and vehicles, consumer appliances, medical equipment. The key use cases of bill of material are production planning, identifies everything required to manufacture a product. Inventory management, maintains accurate stock levels and helps avoid material shortages. Costing and budgeting, determines the total production cost and per unit cost. Procurement, ensures the right materials are ordered from the right suppliers. Quality and process control, standardizes the production process to maintain consistency and quality. With a bill of material, your production process becomes more systematic, cost-effective and efficient. To watch the complete bill of material implementation video, click the I button. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.